Hello, my name is Johnny Abreu, and I am doing the Puerto Rico Trench. I am in GLG 110 35998, and my professor is Michelle. So here's a very good image of Puerto Rico and the Puerto Rico Trench. The trench is right here, which is dark blue. Here's Puerto Rico, and then here's the Dominican Republic, along with all the cities, states all around them. And here, over here on this side, this is the North American plate, which pushes towards the left. And right here is the Caribbean plate, which pushes towards the right. Here's a more detailed picture of what's truly going on here and how intense this really gets. So North American plate is right here. Caribbean plate's right here, as I described in the previous image. These are two ginormous plates, and they are fighting for land realistically. That is how plates work. They both go after each other until one subducts, until one's inferior compared to the other, and that can go on for quite a while until one decides to quit. And with that causes immense amount of disasters, a ton of landslides, tilted platforms, mountains, everything like that, earthquakes, a tremendous amount of earthquakes. And the crazy thing about all this, these plates gliding makes this about 8,400 below sea level. And that's just what is intense about this, is like two giants are just fighting over basically land until one gets its way. And that's how disastrous this trench can be when it's up to its full power. And that is the end of that. I have a Berkeley citation and a National Geographic Society citation.